Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this episode of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how you can install and download the Line application for your Android device. So first you need to open the Google Play Store. Then on the search bar type in Line, tap on search. You can see the Line application on the very top. Now you just need to tap on install and you'd wait for the application to be fully installed. Line is a freeware app for the instant communication on electronic device such as smartphone, tablet, computer. Line user can exchange text, images, videos and audios. You can see here the application has been fully installed. Now you just need to tap on open and with that you have successfully installed and downloaded the Line application. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.